This is the mini kitchen. So that's a setup, very nice, not too bad. That's the kalan. That's the fridge. Yeah, that's the mga gamit. Oh, very simple, not too many. Yan. Fridge. And then in my left side is the cabinet. Oh, very easy. And then very organized, I should say. So that's the dining table, and then that's the living room, and then that's the other room, the bedroom. That's the entrance there, the bedroom, and then this is the washroom. See? Not too crowded, very nice, organized, very simple. So here is the outside entrance. Yeah, I'll show you. Here. Yeah, this one. Here, entrance. Okay, yan. So this is the mini deck. May barbecue one dyan. Yan. Ito ang outside. Yan. Sa paligid. Yan siya. Yan ang mga other cabins right there. So here, I'll show you the exact view of our. Yan. So there you go. Yan. Siya yan. Okay. There is a outdoor pool there with hot tub. Yan. Nice, not too bad. Come and see this place, guys. So cool. So yan ang mga cabins. Yan. Yan. Paligid hanggang 22 units of this one. And then all the way to that side, marami pa. Yeah, it's close to the highway. It's just along the highway. Yan. Ito ang loob. Balikan tayo sa loob. Yan. Pagpasok, in my right side, that's the living room. In the middle, that's the dining, and then the kitchen is over there. That's the washroom for other room. This one, and then this is the another room. Yeah. Ito ang ano. Yan, ang inside. Not bad, eh? Ayan, doon naman ang kwarto ko. Dali. So, ganito ang loob. Yan. Nice. So, ito yung bed room. Very simple lang inside. Very organized and neat. Yan. 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 Okay.
Halos 70 taon nang nakatira sa Agustin Street sa Barangay Calwatan sa Valenzuela, Simong Agustin. Pero
okay.
sila nangambang manirahan sa kinalakiang lugar matapos gumuho ang bahagi ng kalsada sa tapat ng kanilang bahay sa kasagsagan ng bagyong Aghon nitong linggo.
Matagal na nangyayari
Alright.
namin.
Nice, eh?
Tatapakan lang.
This is my second time.
Yung mga oras na yung gabi na hindi
Alright.
baka maya-maya lang, napupuno ka, naging wala pang hukay eh.
Hello
Ang bahagi ng
everyone.
kalsada ng gumuho ay sa tapat ng
Today is our last day.
bagong legislative building sa Valenzuela
Tomorrow
City.
back to normal trabaho ulit.
Of the basement parking.
Yeah.
And actually, supposedly
Nice
this
bed.
month or this week, maglalagay na po tayo ng retaining wall to formally close. Naunahan ho tayo ng sama ng panahon. Yung pressure po ng tubig sa ilalim ho ay sobrang lakas, causing it na bumigay. Yung bumigay po yung steel matting natin, bumigay na rin yung ilalim po ng roads.
Yan.
Sa Talavera,
May iba naman yung
City
mukha.
Disaster Risk
With
Reduction
glass.
Management Office. Nasa 26 na pamilya na nakatira malapit sa construction site ang kinailangan ilikas. Sa pagsusuri naman ng City Engineering's Office, walang nakita matinding structural damage sa mga bahay sa tabi ng bumigay na kalsada.
Wala naman kami nakita major damages doon sa structure. No? Minor cracks were visible, pero again, hindi natin alam kung due ba yun nung yung cracks na yun is because of the incident na gumuho yung road.
Ibinigay ng City Engineering na walang mali sa disenyo ng itinatayong gusali.
This does not affect the project per se. Ngayon lang nagkaroon ng mga
Okay.
two basement deep na construction.
Labas tayo.
in Valenzuela City. Kaya, kumbaga,
Ulit ipakita yung paligid, more on the outside.
lakas ng ulan, kaya yun, talaga yung lupa.
Walang nasabi o nasugatan sa insidente, pero
Yan. Dito tayo. Oh, yan ang highway. That's the highway. Yan, this is the side of the cabin where we stay. Video ako. Nice. Taas ang kahoy oh. Okay. Ilibot po kayo. Dito po yung paligid. Yan. Behind or across the highway, may mataas na bundok yan oh. Yan oh. Yan. Matataas yan na bundok oh. Yan. Yan ang likod ng tinirhan naming bahay. That's the back view. There. Okay. So this is the entrance that side of this area. So that's the name of the resort, or what's this area where we live? Fairmont Mountain Bungalows. Yan. Yan. Okay. Okay, libot tayo ulit. The other side. Yan. Libot ko kayo. Ito yung mga other bungalows. Simple lang, oh. Yan. So this area is part of BC na. Fairmont Hot Spring, BC. Yan. Yan paligid. Very peaceful, quiet, and clean. Yan. Baka gusto nyo pong pumunta dito, let me know. I can come with you and show you the area. Accompany you if you like to come here too later. Yeah. There. Yeah, and I'll show you the pool is right here. Pool is here. There. The outdoor pool. There you go. Yeah. Yeah, that's the outdoor pool. And then there is a hot tub there. There outdoor hot tub right there. Yeah, so oh, hi, morning. Morning. Hi. Si Kat. Si Kit Kat. Hey. Come. Hey, morning, come. Hey. Come this way. Hey. Morning. Hey. Morning. Hey. How are you? How are you? Oh, ang amo niya, oh. Paamo si Morning. Ayan po. Nice. Oh, there's another one. It's coming. It's right there. Hi. Oh, ang amo nila, oh. Ang amo nila. Yan po. There. Oh, cute nila oh. Yan. Alright. I guess I covered everything about this area. So yeah, that's the very entrance is right there. There. I just show you quick. Busy pa ang aking mga kasama. Yan. Oh. Oh. Yan. So this is the very entrance of this area. Yan. 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 So dito yan. There you go. There. Okay. All right. We'll be back in our cottage. So there. Okay. Okay, one more picture. The side view of our there. Okay. Okay. Para may video ako dito. There you go. Okay, welcome. Thank you for watching. Okay, isang ikot pa. Yan. There you go. Yan. Matataas na yung mga kahoy. They're old. Too old. Yan. Yan. Very nice weather. It's sunny today, so we're good. They show you the facility or the where the washroom is and the pool, exactly pool area. Si magtatapon ng basura. So this is the part or the, as I said, the entrance a while ago. Yeah, there. Hi there. So this is the inside of the facility. Okay, just sec. Alright, this is the men's room. Yan. So, yan. Ito yung other side or side. So, and here you go. Yeah. This is the pool. There you go. Mini pool. And then the hot tub. Alright. Yeah. Too bad. Nice. Okay, this is the other side of the cabins or the area. Alright. Oh. Ano? Sandali, may nakalimutan ako doon sa ano. Ay! Yung ano ko.